for Snow 2024. Oh, welcome back to Juicy Snakes. This is Snakes. I'm all cozy up here.
And I can barely see, but my name is Liz.
Well, I can see because that light.
Well, I can't see nothing.
Well, you can pull your hat up just a tad. Hand up.
No, I'm good.
Okay, hold hands so you don't fall.
Yeah.
Wow, I can actually see for one.
Yay.
Oh my. Whoa! Looks like those tree branches did not have a good day.
Yeah, they got shut down, huh?
Okay, so let me tell you what's happened for the past 4 days. We've been stuck inside, only playing video games and board games because it's been negative degrees. Well, it doesn't say it's negative degrees, but it's like, it feels like negative degrees because of the wind.
All right, Jace, is this the bus coming?
No.
Okay, say adios.
Adios.
Snakes, what do you say?
What?
What do you say? Did you
Don't subscribe, don't like.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Okay.
He did. I saw him.
And I did not do a crappy job.
Snakes.
Morning, morning.